Welcome to Deal Explorer. If you're looking for the best variable frequency drive inverter for your workshop, CNC machine, pump, compressor, or industrial motor, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 VFD inverters of 2026, ranked by performance, features, versatility, and overall value. Let's get started. Starting our list at number 5 is this economical variable frequency drive that's available in both 220-volt and 380-volt versions. With power options reaching all the way up to 11 kilowatts, it's a practical solution for workshops and industrial environments that need flexibility without spending a premium. It provides reliable motor speed control, smooth acceleration, and reduced mechanical stress during startup. If you're looking for a dependable VFD for pumps, fans, conveyors, or general-purpose motors, this model offers excellent value for the money. At number 4 is the Mico 750-watt frequency converter. While it's designed for smaller motors, it stands out because of its built-in RS-845 communication interface. This makes it ideal for automation projects where remote monitoring and control are important. The single-phase 220-volt input and three-phase 220-volt output make it an excellent choice for compact machinery, precision motor applications, and automation compatibility. If automation compatibility is high on your priority list, this VFD deserves serious consideration. Taking the number 3 spot is this heavy-duty VFD designed for demanding industrial applications. Supporting outputs up to 400 Hz and power ratings between 4 and 11 kilowatts, it's built for larger motors requiring stable, efficient speed control. Its ability to convert single-phase 220 volts into three-phase 380 volts makes it especially useful for facilities where three-phase power isn't readily available. For serious industrial workloads, this inverter offers impressive capability and flexibility. Coming in at number 2 is this highly versatile variable frequency drive that converts 220-volt input into 380-volt three-phase output. Available in multiple power ratings from 0.75 kilowatts to 5.5 kilowatts, it covers a wide variety of residential, commercial, and light industrial applications. Its broad compatibility, reliable performance, and smooth motor control make it an excellent all-around option for anyone upgrading equipment or replacing an existing VFD. It's a dependable choice that balances performance, versatility, and affordability. Taking the number 1 position is the Mini Vector Control VFD. What sets this model apart is its advanced vector control technology, which delivers more precise motor control, stronger low-speed torque, and smoother overall performance compared to basic VFD designs. Available in several popular power ratings, it's suitable for CNC equipment, compressors, pumps, conveyors, and many industrial motor applications. If you're looking for the best combination of technology, efficiency, performance, and long-term value, this is our top recommendation for 2026. Those are our picks for the top 5 VFD inverters of 2026. If you found this review helpful, you'll find the product links in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest product reviews here on Deal Explorer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.